Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this Safelist strategy training course. Now, what we are going to do today is we are going to plug in the system. The first step really is to join the Safelist Blueprint. If you want to join and participate in the program, then the first thing you would need to do is join, and there is a link under the video if you want to join the Safelist Cash System, and there is a link under this video. And scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is the sales page here. This is where the link will take you to this page, and just scroll down and click on the button here to buy the product for $5. And remember, it is $5. It's not that much, but in any business scenario, there is expenditure involved, and it's just one of these things. Once you buy this, it will take you to the download page, and let me just see the actual page, the download page. That's it here. You'll see this page here when you buy it, and you can go through the instructions here. I'm going to go through them now. But you do have to have a lead sleep account as well, so that's really important. This is not going to make much sense if you don't have a lead sleep account, or if you try to do this without a lead sleep account. If you may have an account with someone else, with another hosting company or something. I don't know if that would work, but it would just make things more complicated. Right, so I'm going to log in now and I'm going to set this up. So yeah, so when you buy the product, you will be given, I'm not going to scroll down the bottom of the page. There are share codes underneath this, and the share codes are for these two pages here. Let me just see if we can see them, because this is just plug in and play. So you'll have capture page 1 and capture page 2 and capture page 3. Well, there's 3 here. So, and then what will happen is when people join, they'll get taken to this page here, which is the download page. This one here, and then they'll follow the instructions, and then they'll sign under you, and that's how you make money. So let's log in, and that's how you make commissions. Let me log into Lead Sleep and set this up. So I'll set the pages up in today's video, and I will set up the email section of it in another video, because I want to do this in bite-sized pieces. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information. Once you log into Lead Sleep, all you have to do is go to your page manager, or page builder, sorry. Go to the page builder and then click on page manager. And I've actually set the pages up already. You've got page 1, you've got page 2 and page 3. And what you do is go to add a new page campaign, click on this button here, and enter the page name. So this is for the Safelist Cash strategy. So type in something. I'll just type in dummy page, because I'll be deleting that. Safelist Cash System. Type in something that you'll remember it by, and then click on add new. And then that will load up this section here. Click on add a new page design to start, and this is the codes here. Enter the share codes, which is in this page here. It's under this page somewhere here. Use the following share codes. Do you see it there? Use the following share codes. So you've got capture page 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you've got your delivery page, and you've got the emails. So we won't talk about the delivery page or the emails at the moment, because like I said, it's bite-sized pieces. So let's just deal with the 4 capture pages. I actually thought there was only 3. So let me go in and get the 4th one, and then I'll show you what I mean. So scroll down here to get your share codes, and then go to the page manager and then cut and paste the code into this box and click import now. Oh, they must have added a page, because I thought there was only 3. So we've got, let me just rename that. That's Safelist Capture 3. So to rename it, I'm just going to click on the little pencil icon here. Let me try that again. yeah, and where it says name, I'll just go into Safelist. Let me just scroll down here. Safelist 4. Right, let me just change this to Safelist 4. Safelist 4. Right, so that's the first step, is to get the 4 pages and click Save. So that's the first step. I'll just go over that again. Just to make sure I'm not going too quickly for you, because I'm always worried that I'll go too fast. When you go in to buy this, you will be taken to this delivery page, and it will have the share codes here for capture page 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you just add a new page, and then you copy and paste the code in here to to import the page. It does say here the next step is to launch the editor. So I want to click on this and see if the what it's asking me to do. It'll probably, because I can't remember if I've set the list up or not. So let me go to my list and click on Get List ID. Yeah, it's set up here. You don't need to worry about that too much. I will actually go over that with you in the next video. But each of these 4 pages has to be connected to the autoresponder, and again I will show you that in the next video. Today's video I just want to show you the pages, and then we'll add them to the rotator. So let me just show you one of the pages once it's finished. Yeah, it's finished doing that. Okay, so let me close this. And what you do is, if you go to Launch Editor, this is one of the pages here, you can actually go through the pages, and you can actually make changes to them if you want as well. So this is the 4th page, Unlock the Hidden Gold Mine. This is called like a sales page. This is what people will see, and they'll join if they're interested. So that's one of the pages. So let me go into the second one. We'll just close that. This is the 3rd one. Let me click on this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them to a rotator so that the pages will alternate between the 4 sales pages. It's not really that complicated. Here's the other one here, and you can go in and change this. If you click on anything, it's very intuitive. You can click on any of this text, and then you can go in here and make the changes. I would advise you just to leave it the way it is, but it is up to you. Everyone's different. So let me just click off that. Let me cancel that. It wants me to save. Let me save this and have a look at the next page. Okay, let's have a look at the Safelist number. This is Safelist 2, and of course you can, this is the affiliate link, you can click on that and that does actually populate the page as well. It looks similar to the other one that we've seen, but there is some slight differences. So once you've got the 4 pages, you've got page 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're going to go into our rotator, and we are going to go where the tracker section is, click on rotators, and I've already set up a rotator for this, so click on add a new rotator, click on the blue button, and then once you've done that, add page links, so click on add page links, and then what you do is click on Safelist 4, Safelist 3, 2 and 1. I've got more pages here, so don't click on the delivery page, that's for later on. Just Safelist 1, 2, 3 and 4 and click submit, and that will add them all to the rotator. So I've added the links to it. Then what you can do is just copy this link. This is the rotator link that you need. Just copy this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into incognito window, and I'm just going to copy and paste the rotator link in here in my browser, and that will load up one of the pages. And then what to do is refresh the page, and refresh the page again, and as you can see, it's gone through. Now it's going through them in random order, so it might show you the same one twice, but this is basically the 4 pages here. It does that. That looks like the same one. Let me just click on the refresh button. Yeah, that's the other page here because it's not got that image on it. So that's that rotator set up. Now I know that's set up because if I close this button and then go back to lead sleep, we will go to lead sleep and then we can actually go to the rotator and we can see that I've clicked on it 9 times. There's a stats button here where you can click on the stats and you can actually see what pages it actually populated when I clicked on it. Now this one's only got the 3 pages on it, not the 4th one, so let me add the 4th page. They must have added that recently. Right, so yeah, so Safelist Traffic System and Lead Generator, and that's the clicks that we've just received now. If I go into your manage links, you can click here and you can add, you can see here the pages and the weight. You can change the weight as well so that one page can show more than others. But again, that's getting into a bit more complicated strategies. Let me just, I'm going to delete this and just go over this again. Just, delete this and I'll just go over this again. So we have got the add a new rotator. I think because I made a mistake, so I'm going to go back and do it again. Click on add a new rotator, add the page links, click on your Safelist 4, 3, 2 and 1, and then click submit. And then what I can do is I want to change this name from new rotator, so I'm going to go in here with the pencil, with the little square pencil icon is, and click on that, and then I'm going to just cut and copy, put my cursor in this box and click on it, and then I'm going to type in Safelist strategy and scroll down to save it, and that's it. So that's the Safelist strategy set up. All the links have been added, the 4 of them have been added. Now I'm going to copy the actual link and put it in a notepad, because this is the link that we are going to need. Just get a notepad. Keep all your links into one place. So that's this link here was your actual affiliate link. So let me put that in brackets. And the affiliate link goes in here. So we'll just delete that last bit. It's important to have a notepad with all your links inside it so you don't get confused. So open up a notepad and keep the all the links in the one notepad. Right. So you've got your case. You've got your Safelist Cash strategy. This is your affiliate link. You're not going to need that at the moment, but you will need it in the next video actually when we start editing the pages. When we edit the delivery page. This is your rotator link, and this is the one that you're going to use. I'll type that in here as well. This is the one that you're going to use to promote and get subscribers on your list. Now the good thing about this, I'm just going to save that. Now the good thing about this link is you can actually type something in here. So say for example I type in Robert. Say you're using a traffic source called Robert. Okay, so you just highlight this and copy this. And then I'm going to go into a new browser and copy and paste this into the box. And that's going to show up our page here. Just going to refresh the screen. Right, and then I'm going to close this box, and then if I go to refresh my page in Lead Sleep and go to the rotator, you can see that it's been clicked on, and that's just what I've done there. And if I click on the stats button, you can actually see Robert's got 2 clicks, and it also shows you the page. So basically what's happened is whatever, let's get my notepad again. Let me just click on this. here. Okay, so whatever you type in after the rotator link, after the forward slash, is what's going to show up here. And that's a good way to check your stats and to see what traffic is working for you. So I'm just going to reset that. And that's something that's worthwhile knowing. So definitely have your notepad ready, have your rotator link in there, and your affiliate link. The next affiliate link is actually for lead sleep, because you're going to need that in the next video. We're going to set up the delivery page in the next video. So to get your lead sleep affiliate link, we need to scroll down to the earn section and go to, no we don't, go to the very bottom of the page where it says affiliate, and click on affiliate links and tools, and then go to your home page and click copy and paste this link, copy that, and again that's going in the notepad for your delivery page. So I'm just going to type that in here. So that's the lead sleep. Now you're also going to need three of your favourite traffic exchanges as well for the PDF document. So that's something that's something that you need to have a think about, which products you want to promote. And what do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is this Safelist PDF that you will be giving away to people. It's actually called an ethical bribe. Even you'll be giving that away to people, and it's going to, that's it there. It's going to have your affiliate links in it. So it will have lead sleep in it, for example, and it will have some other mailers in there as well. So make a list of your favourite mailers, 3 of them, and put them in this notepad here. And we will go in tomorrow. We'll go into the video tomorrow, and I will rebrand everything, and then we'll set up our autoresponder and get traffic to it. So hopefully you've understood everything. If not, you can go back and watch the video again. And that's really all for today's video. If you do have any questions, please email me and I will be happy to help. If you get stuck on setting up the rotator, for example, please email me and I will be happy to help you with that. So thank you for watching today's video, and join me in tomorrow's video.